Hey guys, I am Kyle, and in today's video I am going to show you how to make Luffy from One Piece in Infinite Craft fastest method. So let's get started. So the first thing that we need is fire, and then add another fire to create a volcano, and then water plus water to create lake. And then you need volcano into water to create island, and then once you have the island you want to add water into it to create ship. And then once you have the ship you want to add the lake into it to create pirate. Once you have pirate, is that you want to go for earth, and then add water into it to create plant. And then once you have the plant, you want to add another plant to create tree. Once you have the tree, add another tree to create forest. And then once you have forest, add another forest to create jungle. And then once you have jungle, the next thing is you want to add a plant right here, and then add a wind into it to create dandelion. Once you have dandelion, the next thing is you want to combine it with jungle right here to create monkey, and then combine volcano, or actually we'll just be removing this, and then we're just gonna go for wind on the monkey so that you'd have monkey king. Once you have monkey king, the next thing is just combine it with pirate, and now you have monkey D. Luffy. So that is basically it.